Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Mofusand shark. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start in the center and let's draw a V-shaped point down for the nose. And then a small line underneath. And 2 angles down for the mouth. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. At the top of the nose, let's hop out and let's draw 2 curves up and out. Then underneath, let's add a curve across like this. And then inside each eye, let's add a small circle at the top. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop out and let's start on the top corner and let's draw a curve down and bring it in on each side. And connect it with a curve across at the bottom. Now to close off the top, let's start in the center and let's draw a point down. Another one on each side. And then one more to close it off. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the body. Let's start on top of the center and let's draw a small line across. Then from each side, let's curve it down. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw the top of the head, starting with a small curve. And then curve it down on each side as well. Now let's hop in and on each side, let's draw an oval for the shark's eyes. And color them in black. Now let's hop back down underneath and let's continue the body by drawing the arms. Let's start with a curve down on each side. Then from the top and bottom, let's angle it in. And a curve to close off the sleeves. Now for the hands, from the top, let's draw a small line in. And then add 3 bumps down for the fingers. And then one more bump underneath, bringing it back to the arms. And that's it for the hands. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the feet. Underneath each hand, let's draw a large circle. Then inside each one at the bottom, let's draw a curve up and back down to the other side. Now for the bottom of the feet, let's draw an oval. And then 4 small circles on top. And that's it for the feet. Now let's hop out and let's continue drawing the shape of the body. Underneath the hands, let's draw another angle down to the feet like this. And then let's hop out and let's continue the body line down and curve it in. And then close off the bottom of the body with a curve across in the center. Now that we're done the main part of the body, lastly on the sides we're going to draw the fins. Let's start with a curve down. And then curve it back up and in underneath. And that's it for Shark Mofusand. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!